Today we are off to Lake Eildon.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Yeah, I think she's excited. Oh no! So, regurgitating means she's in love. So, right now she's heckin' excited to be going on a road trip. Oh no! Minyip! Ooh, we're going on an adventure, hey! How exciting!
When travelling in the car, Minyip rides in the Pak-O-Bird, which is basically a backpack carrier for your bird.
Oh no! Regurgitating. I honestly think that's just because she's happy, because she was doing that since we got in the car. We weren't even moving. Stopped for a bit of a water break. She's enjoying watching the birds outside.
We only take her out of the carrier when we've stopped driving because she's not harness trained yet, so she can't be out and about while we're driving.
Minyip, you tell us.
I plan to get her harness trained so she can enjoy the outdoors being on our shoulder rather than being in the backpack the whole time, but it's going to take another few months before I can get her to that point. It was a little bit too windy to fly my drone more than I did, so if you want to see more drone footage at this location, I've made 2 previous videos here. So it isn't actually safe to have your bird outside with you without a harness because they could actually get scared off, fly away, become lost and not know how to survive in the wild, or they could become a victim to a predator attack. So it's a really good idea to harness train your bird or just take them outside in a carrier like we are doing right now. After seeing the Eildon Dam, we took Minyip to Mount Pinniger Lookout. I have previously filmed with my drone in that location, so you're welcome to check out that video as well. Minyip was having a very nice time watching all the new things outside the window. I think this is actually a very good way to introduce her to being outside when we finally get her harness trained.
She's watching something. Greenie.
I must admit, it was actually nice to get out of the house and see something different for a change. We've been in lockdown for so long with so many restrictions. I think I enjoyed this outing just as much as she did.
Lunchtime.
If you enjoy this type of video, please consider subscribing to my channel because I will be making more videos like this in the future that you might enjoy.
Is that right, Minyip? She's screaming because the pontoon is squeaking. What is it, Minyip? Where'd you go? Are you trying to get the phone? There she is, eating.
92.4% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed, so it would be great if you could consider subscribing to my channel. And subscribing is free, so you don't really have anything to lose. Bye!